Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody showed me or sent me a video that somebody made this in Adobe Illustrator, and it's completely different than the way we're going to do it in Corel, and they can't figure it out. So we're going to make an oval. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. The main thing, the first thing you've got to do is make it a thicker line. Let's make it a little bit thicker still. Then the second main thing you've got to do is convert the outline to an object. If you don't do that, it won't work. Control D and duplicate it, and we're going to rotate it 5 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, for a second, group these together. Control D, duplicate them and rotate them 45 degrees. Control D, Control D. Now, ungroup them all and go up here and go, to Object and combine them. If you don't combine them, it won't work. If you just group it, it will give you separate fields to put in. We're going to put a black in the middle. I should have maybe made my lines a little bit thicker, but you can get the idea. And then this is combined, so I can Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Shift key, I can bring this in and rotate it 22.5 degrees. Then I can Control D again, and it automatically did it. Now, I might not have enough black to do what I think it needs to be done. Object order, backup page. It doesn't look as good as my first one. My first one, the lines are a little bit thicker. And I don't have enough black because you could see too much of the red. So let's back up here again. Make sure we just have one of these. We don't. So I'm going to go back to the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to add some more black because I don't want to be to see that center. I really want it red, but I want it black to about there. Control D, hold down the Shift key and bring in that arrow. Rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D again, it automatically does it. Now, all the black should not show up, which is the intermingle parts. Object, order, backup page. Now I maybe have too much black. So that still looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped him or them a little bit. Thank you for watching.